Hi everyone, let's start with a demonstration of Omnichannel V2, presented by Czentrix. I will start with the Agent ID login. After entering the agent credentials, I will log in into the Omnichannel agent panel. The agent can view today's, monthly, weekly, or yearly data, and can segregate what work has been completed in the past. The graphs provide the visual representation of the same. The custom data options can also be provided. The very first thing we will start with on the agent panel is the telephony, from where we will connect to the customer by outbound call or receive inbound calls. We will be using WebRTC for telephony connectivity. The telephony widget, which we see on the screen, is the CTI integration. In this widget, there are multiple options on the screen. You can hold, you can pause, or you can transfer the call to any other users. You can conference the call from here, and there are other multiple features, and the agent can dispose and do the after-call activity, like CSAT survey. From here on the right-hand side, you will see the basic information of the customer. And there is an option where you can create a ticket on the call manually. Tickets can also be automatically created via email or on certain events. You can click on the ticketing icon, and the Create Ticket option will be available to you. You can select the desired fields from here, and you can save them. In the Create Ticket option, you will have an option to search the ticket by the docket number. This will generate a docket number and can be sent to this particular email ID. If you want to know further about this customer, you just have to click on the timeline. And in the timeline, you will see all the previous conversations of this customer. If you click on any of the conversation, you will see the complete transcript. In this case, you will see the customer is connected from this email address. Okay, this chat is a regular website chat. You will see below there is a WhatsApp chat conversation. Also, you can see the chat transcript of the conversation. In the same way, you will see all the failed transactions, failed connectivity, also the call recordings of the previous calls, and the ticket which was previously generated for this customer, which makes it easier for the agent to proactively engage with the customer. On the top of it, you will see this agent has an option to see multiple notifications of the pending interactions. You will see 194 mails up in there. The Facebook post count and the Instagram and the LinkedIn post count is also displayed. On the top, you will have an option of break, so you can take the break from here. If you want to click on the break, you have to select which type of break you want to take. Here is the option of logout, where the agent can log out, but before that, the agent has to disconnect the call or all the ongoing chats. Now I will just disconnect the call and wait for any type of conversation to connect. As we can see, we have multiple connected chats, and we can see the source of different chats. So the very first chat is the website chat. The customer has connected by visiting the website and connected to the chat. You can reply back to this message from here. You can give a quick response from here by using the canned response from the desired canned responses and send it to the customer. On the top are the features which I'm explaining is common for all the messaging channels. You can share the file from here. You can go into the last transaction and view the chat history. From here, you can see the chat history which has been connected with this particular customer. You can transfer this chat to any other agent if another agent is available. You can do the conferencing with the supervisor or any other agent who is available. And finally, you can do the chat closure from here. From here, you can directly go to any particular disposition. You can tag the chat, which will show up in the reports section. This will dispose of the chat and close the chat from here. In the same manner, you will see we have connected with Telegram, so you can see the logo of Telegram over here. Similarly with WhatsApp, we have a conversation as obvious from the WhatsApp logo. And from Facebook Messenger, we have a chat connection. Now this is all from the same customer, as it is for the product demonstration purpose. I have initiated the chat from different mediums. After the chat is disposed of, all the conversation transcript is visible in the timeline of this customer. I will dispose them one by one, and we will go into the other sections. Now further going with this agent panel, we have social media to explore, the email and the ticketing section. You will see one email has been received just now. When I click on that particular mail, you will see the complete mail conversation. In this, you will see it is regarding a refund process. You can click on the reply button to reply to this particular person. If you want to reply to all the persons in the mailing list, you can click on the reply all, and you have an option to forward it as well. I will just click on the reply all. From here, I have an option to change the department and select a user to assign this mail. Also, I can select a particular template, like a canned message, so I don't have to write the entire mail. I can edit the template message. I can click the Send button to send this mail. I can attach files to the mail. There is a basic editing option from here, where you can do the editing. You can click on the Save button to save it, or you can just send and save. If you just save it, it will save all the information in the system. If you send and save, it will send it out to the customer. Our CRM integration with email allows automatic tickets to be created when an email is received. When the customer sends an email, it will be available in this ticketing CRM. You will see how it is created. On this ticket, you will see the source is mail. In the same manner as I showed in the beginning, you can create a manual ticket too. From here you can select the reason. You can select the priority of the ticket. You can select the status of the ticket. You can change it from here, and the same will be captured in the complete details section of the ticket. If you click on the detail button, you will see the complete information of the ticket. You can go into the ticket history section. You will see the progress of the ticket, all the attachments, and the mail history. You can click on the View option from here, and you can directly reply from here too. When you click, you can also see all the tickets and the department section option too. You can go back and you can see on the top panel what are the pending interactions that you need to take care of in the mails and social media section. So we have already seen all the social media messaging interaction from where the chat had been initiated. Here we have the option where the post can also be managed. So from here, you will see the Facebook post. You have an option to reply to it, and you can select whether you want to reply and send it from here. You can also DM the same. If you want to DM or look into the comment section, you can also reply to a comment. If you want to see the timeline of this customer, you can go into the timeline and look into the complete timeline of it. You can directly click on this. You can see the chat transcript, which has been initiated from Facebook. If you want to look into the other conversations, like Twitter, you can see all the interactions. You can also look into Instagram. If you click on the Instagram conversation, you will see the complete Instagram post. If you click on the different messages, you will see the audio, video, and other photos which have been posted by the customer. So you will see something like this. And if you want to reply to it, you will click on the reply option. You can select any particular template and you can send the particular reply on the post. You can also DM the same customer from here too. The same options are available for the other social media channels too. Providing the post and DM options enable the agent to decide and act on private conversations. This is a short demonstration of Czentric's Omnichannel, which has a built-in CRM along with all the communication channels like telephony, messaging, which includes web chat, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Viber. It has an email module and all the social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The Omnichannel can be used for inbound and outbound processes. It also has a lead module for outbound calls and lead management. Also, this version of Omnichannel is multilingual, so the agent and admin panel can be changed to different languages based on user choice. Thanks for your time, and I am sure it will be very helpful for your business. Thank you.